New Triumph Scrambler 400X, authentic Scrambler attitude, purposeful all-road stance, timeless Scrambler silhouette, and classic Triumph engine profile. From the wheels up, the Triumph Scrambler 400X's iconic design DNA couldn't be more apparent. All-road capability, protection for bike and rider, longer Scrambler mudguard, and protection for the sump, headlight, radiator, and handguards all contribute towards the all-road attitude of the Triumph Scrambler 400X. Chassis and suspension. Dedicated Scrambler chassis and suspension setup with 43mm big piston USD forks and adjustable rear monoshock for assured agile handling on all surfaces. Brakes. Twin piston radial caliper with braided lines delivers powerful progressive braking with switchable Bosch ABS for superb feel and control both on and off-road. Security. The Scrambler 400X is equipped with a steering lock and an anti-theft immobilizer as standard. A security chip integrated into the ignition key ensures only the owner can start the engine. Finish and detailing. Trademark black powder-coated engine casings, tough gold anodized forks, high-quality paint, and exquisite logo detailing ensure the finish on the Scrambler 400X is premium throughout. Rider ergonomics. A commanding riding position with wide adjustable handlebars and flat high-grip foot pegs give the Scrambler 400X road presence and comfort with excellent off-road control. Wheels and tires. Scrambler-specific, lightweight V-spoke design cast 19-inch front and 17-inch rear aluminum wheels with premium brand tires provide all-road confidence, no matter what the conditions. Modern rider technology. Stylish instruments with a classic speedometer and full-featured LCD display featuring a prominent gear indicator and key rider info. Switchable traction control enhances safety and off-road control.